Alright guys, I'm on the icom. I got the kerchunk. I've got the little tram over my head over here. We actually moved this thing a little further away. This is a dual band antenna. But actually, I've had it for a really long time. It's taped up because it was getting slammed into the door. So what I should do is just order another pink coax and just redo it. These were like $22, and I bought it when I was a new ham, like in 2014. So it was one of my first antennas. And oddly enough, it showed up from Amazon, but I ordered it on eBay. Or maybe it was the other way around, but it was sent as a gift. Which, what that does is it releases them of responsibility. You order something from eBay, it comes from Amazon with a gift. As a gift. You have no recourse to return it. Anyway, I never had any problems with it. In fact, I bought a second one somewhere else. I don't even remember where. They work quite well for what they are. They're not no 5/8 wave, but they're good. Anyway, we were just playing around with this. I've got the... by the way, these have the most horrible antennas I've tested to date. These antennas here are really bad. Really bad. Like SWR in your hand. Okay. So this is an icom 771. It's none of these are actually very good, but there's certainly some that are worse than others. KG7HVR. So now you can hear there is no KG7HVR. There's no repeater tail or whatever you want to call it. Okay, but you can hear there isn't. Now, watch when I switch radios. Okay, now with this one there is. Or is it just the radio that's doing that? Testing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This one's very determinant upon how far away from it you talk up on it. Anyway, let's see if it gets the tail. Okay. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So it's something in the settings in that radio that do that. Interesting. I don't care for that noise at all.
Welcome.
Okay, I'm gonna fire up the rad tail. Hello, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 testing. Alright, let's try that again. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, listen for the tail. Yep. So it has nothing to do with any of the other radios. So it is in fact a product of the icom. Menu. Duplex. CMP. I don't know what CMP is. Oh, compression. We don't want that on, do we? Okay. Tone. Scope! This is scope. That's fucking crazy. Look at that. Well, the step we want a little higher, maybe. I don't know if it just like continuously scans or just if you hold it down, it'll just continually scan. It's like I saw a signal right there actually. It's 8:30. There might be a net at some point in time going on. We're only scanning 10K though, so let me see if we can go 20, 25. 25 is the widest we can go. Oh, each one of those are a step. I don't know what the deal is, but so we got menu 1 and 2, and then we got the set menu. So this has got a kerchunk. It kerchunks. I like the PTT tune. Auto tune. How is that off? This shouldn't even pertain to over here. Okay. I don't know what VSC is. Anyway, so it's pretty cool radio for this. So as long as it doesn't ever blow up ic756pro, I think this is really the main reason to own this radio is 100 watts on 2-meter band. With sideband and all that, you know, you're just not going to get that out of any other radio. Anyway, I thought I would showcase the kerchunk.